6 plants to attract pollinators to your garden. Want more bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds in your yard? Planting flowers that attract pollinators is one of the easiest ways to help nature and your garden. Pollinators move pollen from flower to flower, helping plants grow fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without them, many plants wouldn't survive. By adding the right flowers, you're not just making your garden more colorful, you're also supporting the entire ecosystem. Let's explore 6 amazing plants that will invite pollinators to visit your garden again and again. Number 1. Milkweed. Milkweed is the #1 plant for monarch butterflies. It's the only plant where they lay their eggs, and the caterpillars eat only milkweed leaves. But that's not all. Bees and other butterflies love its nectar too. Milkweed is easy to grow and comes in beautiful colors like pink, orange, and white. It grows best in full sun and doesn't need much watering once it's established. Just be sure to plant native varieties that grow naturally in your area. Add milkweed to your garden and become a hero to the monarchs. Number 2. Lavender. Lavender isn't just relaxing for people, it's also a favorite of bees and butterflies. Its sweet smell and purple flowers attract pollinators from spring through summer. Lavender loves sunny spots and well-draining soil. It's also drought-tolerant, making it great for low-maintenance gardens. You can plant it along borders, in pots, or near your vegetable garden to bring in helpful insects. As a bonus, it repels mosquitoes and adds a lovely scent to your yard. Pollinators love it, and you will too. Number 3. Bee Balm. With its bright spiky flowers in red, pink, or purple, Bee Balm lives up to its name. It really does attract bees. Hummingbirds and butterflies also flock to it. Bee Balm blooms in summer and adds a fun pop of color to your garden. It grows well in full sun or partial shade and likes moist soil. You can plant it in clumps to create a big, colorful display. It's also part of the mint family, so it spreads easily. Bee Balm is a pollinator magnet and a garden showstopper. Number 4. Echinacea. Echinacea is a tough, drought-resistant flower with large daisy-like petals and a raised center. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds love its nectar-rich blooms. It comes in purple, pink, yellow, and white varieties and blooms from summer into fall. Echinacea is easy to grow and handles heat and poor soil like a champ. You can plant it in flower beds or mix it with other perennials. It also makes a beautiful cut flower for vases. Echinacea is a pollinator favorite that brings beauty and life to your garden. Number 5. Zinnias. Zinnias are colorful, fast-growing flowers that are loved by butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. They come in every color of the rainbow and bloom from summer to frost. Zinnias are perfect for gardeners of all levels because they grow easily from seed and don't need much care. They like full sun and bloom more when you pick the flowers regularly. Whether you plant them in garden beds or containers, zinnias will fill your space with color, and pollinators will thank you for it. Number 6. Salvia. Salvia is a member of the mint family and produces tall flower spikes in shades of blue, purple, red, or pink. Hummingbirds especially love red salvia, while bees and butterflies prefer the blue and purple ones. These flowers bloom from early summer to fall and can handle dry soil and full sun. Salvia is a hardy plant that looks great in borders, flower beds, or even pots. It brings vertical color to your garden and creates a constant buzz of winged visitors. If you want more buzzing bees, fluttering butterflies, and hummingbirds in your yard, give this video a like and comment below if you know any other great pollinator-friendly plants. And for more color that lasts, don't miss this video. Best long-blooming perennials for your garden. And remember, life is better when you garden.